What's up, tartelettes? It's Iggy. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this full beat glam. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this full beat face, just stay tuned and keep on watching. So before I go ahead and get started, I want to quickly show you guys some swatches of some of my favorite shades in this palette that I absolutely love. Shade up here is called Pina Colada. It's this gorgeous like highlighting shade, good for the brow bone, and it's also really pretty if you put it in the inner corner or maybe just the center of the lid if you guys are doing more of a halo eye look. Pina Colada is being swatched. Look how reflective and gorgeous that shade is. Alright, so next up is Loca. It's this gorgeous like champagne like pinky shade. It's so pretty. I love this shade. Here's a swatch of it as well, right next to Pina Colada. It is so gorgeous and stunning. It's perfect. Right, so right next to Loca is that shade called Amigos. It's this gorgeous like burnt, like almost like brick red. I love these type of matte shades. So pretty. I love the shade of this. This is just perfect. One of my usually go-to shades if I'm gonna go ahead and do a more of a dark, warm look. This is something I would definitely use a lot. Alright, so enough chit chats. Let's go ahead and get started with Complexion. Alright, so for Complexion products today, I'm gonna go ahead and use our Face Tape Foundation. And then with that as well, I'm gonna use our iconic Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Alright, so once I'm done with the rest of my complexion, I'm then going to go ahead and set it with our Shape Tape setting powder. Alright, so to warm up the face now a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and take our Park Ave Princess Matte Waterproof Bronzer. Alright, so jumping straight into this eye look, I'm going to go in with that very first shade called Amigos here, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease and buff this out. Also applying that shade along the lower lash line as well, dragging that all the way to the inner corner. Underneath Amigos, I'm going to go in with that next shade called Cabo here, and I'm just going to pop this into the inner corner. Just patting motions like so, and I'm just going to kind of place this in the crease slowly. Then once we've placed it, I'm just going to go in with my smaller buffing brush and just kind of blend away, but I'm not going to blend all this entirely out. Alright, so next with my ring finger, I'm just going to pack on that shade Loca here, all over the eyelid, starting from the inner corner, bringing that all the way to the center. For the brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm taking that shade Pina Colada here, and I'm just going to pack this in the inner corner like so. And as you can see, it is so blinding. And I'm just going to pop this on the brow bone here, and look how absolutely stunning that is. Now look at that highlight, it is so stunning and you can't deny it. Alright, so now to finish off this eye look, I'm going to go ahead and apply a few light coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Absolute favorite must have. And also in collaboration with Lele Pons, we also have some falsies here. These of course are vegan and cruelty free. They are bandless, so they're going to be very comfortable and nice and thin on your eyes, so they don't feel like you have anything on. Going into the bottom part of the palette now, I'm going to take that shade here called Playa. It's this gorgeous blush shade. Just going to pop this on the apples of my cheeks. Then after taking that blush shade, I'm going to go in with this rose gold highlighter shade and just popping that on the highest point of my cheeks. Alright, so now to complete this whole look, we can top it off with our Tarte lip gloss in the shade Lele. Alright guys, and that completes today's tutorial on this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys have not gotten your hands on our new Lele Pons collaboration, I will leave a link below for tarte.com right now. It is available, so get it while supplies last. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and following along, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.